Hello! Welcome back sa ating YouTube channel. This is Gabby's Vlog. For latest vlog, tungkol po sa recap on live semis week 1 ng Idol Kids. But, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Gusto ba like, shares, comments, at yun. Buti ng 500 if supported natin sa ating social media account. Latest vlog, 370, episode 370, and title, Idol Kids live semis week 1 recap. Here's your vlog. Okay, simulan natin para natin ang highlights. Okay, last week ang ginanap na ng live semis na Idol Kids Week 1 between the other 9 semi-finalists like Avatar, Alexa, Gab, Tara, Kian, Kesha, Casey, MJ, and Quail. Pero tatlo lang nakapasok sa next sa ating final show. Isa ay mula sa mula sa Join Now That Page at dalawa naman from the judges. Ito na. Kani last week, ang guest mentors na sila Bini Colette at Bini Maloy, while the live performances of the one and only Maki. Yes, si Maki. Kahit ng Langit Singers. At tatlo ang nakapasok sa live final showdown. Yung 6 di natuloy sa ating next level, which is final showdown. Ito na. Una pasok ay si Alexa with Sirena style. Parang hindi may dito kung Sirena ba, parang hindi. Congratulations with a total of highest number of votes of 28%. Congratulations, Alexa. Well, followed by the judges scores. Nakakuha ng 97 something. Nakapasok na si MJ. Congratulations. Yan. We are proud of you. And, the last but not the least, nakapasok na sa final showdown with 92%, which is si Quail. Nakapasok na sa final showdown. Anak po ng former The Voice of the Philippines contestant na si Bratty Holmes and now Shanrock member. While Nina Holmes is the mother of Quail. Judges are Mr. Pure Energy Gary Balichano, Angelique Quintos, Juan Carlos, and Aisha Samberg, Regine Balasas at Casey para sa ating Idol Kids Philippines. Yan po for our highlights. Bukas! Tuloy ating Idol Kids. Dahil eliminated na yung Avatar. Okay lang yan. May Gap, may Kara, may Kid, may Kesha, and Casey. Okay. Salamat na. May 9 pa na bukas na sila Andrea, Francesca, Jaira, Klein, Laysan, Miggy, ano po ito? Samantha, Sean, and Yasi. Tatlo pakapasok sa ating final show na bukas sa Sunday sa TV5, Kapamilya Channel, and AGC Idol Kids Week 2 of live semis. Thanks for watching. See ya. Bye. God bless.